Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoGY Trends, your backstage pass to flagship level innovation. Hit subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss an in-depth review or sneak peek. Looking for the perfect tool for your creative vision? The Sony Xperia VII just dropped, and Sony's calling it their most cinematic phone yet. But is it really the ultimate setup for creators? First up, the display, a 6.5-inch Bravia HDR OLED with a fast 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and stereo front speakers tuned by Sony Pictures and Dolby Atmos support. Powering the device is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, with 12GB RAM, UFS 4.0 storage expandable via microSD, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Now, the camera system, triple lenses with Sony Xperia sensors, 48 megapixels main, 48 megapixels ultrawide, and 12 megapixels continuous zoom telephoto. With zoom, AI follow, and cinematic color, your phone could shoot a feature film, or at least one killer vlog. Also included, Pro Camera, Video Pro, and Cinema Pro apps, Bravia Grade Color, Zeiss Optics, 5-axis ICE in video, plus a 3.5mm headphone jack for high-res audio and Walkman-grade DAC. A 5000 mAh battery with 30W wired and 15W wireless charging is also on board. Runs on Android 15, promises 4 OS upgrades, 6 years of security updates, and side-mounted fingerprint sensor, not to mention an IP65/68 rating. Price? It launched in Europe and the UK at around €1,499, £1,399. The Sony Xperia VII was announced on May 13, 2025, and is expected to be released in June 2025. So is the Xperia VII the creator's dream? With its cinema-grade screen, pro-level camera setup, AI video tools, and durable design, it's a strong contender. Would you switch to Sony for better mobile filmmaking? Let me know in the comments, I read them all. If this video helped you, hit like and share with your creator crew.